Do you want a bit of this?
Yeah.
Well, tough, you'll have to make your own.
Well, that's not fair. Stay tuned and figure out how. Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. My name is Paige.
My name is Lauren. Let's make this sweet, delicious waffle using our waffle maker with a topping of strawberry compote, homemade, and a little dollop of cream over the top.
Maybe a bit of ice cream if I get a bit lucky if she lets us.
No, I might let you do. You've been alright.
Okay, give this a switch on. Ooh. I think we'll go for about just over halfway heating wise and let that heat. Whilst that is heating up, we are going to start off with our ingredients. 300 grams of plain flour, 150 grams of caster sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 250 mils of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large liquid chicken eggs, and 200 grams of butter. Make sure it's melted. For your strawberry compote, you are going to need 220 grams of fresh strawberries, quartered, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/3 of a tablespoon of lemon juice. Right, let's get into it. Lauren's going to do the wet ingredients, I'm going to do the dry ingredients, and we're just going to have a little bigger. Okay, so, ooh, getting that flour in.
I haven't had a sweet waffle in a long time.
No, I haven't either, you know.
The last time I had one, I went to the States in February of 2025, and I went to Jenny's for a breakfast and had a sweet waffle there with, it was a sweet and savoury, so it had the bacon, the maple syrup, and it was delicious. I feel like you get that a lot in America, the mixed sweet and savoury, especially for breakfast.
Yeah, maybe we can try a savoury one. Bit of bacon, bit of maple syrup.
Yeah, we'll give it a go. We'll try and bring that trend over to the UK.
Right.
Melted butter.
Right, I'm ready.
Oh, it would be. You only mixed 3 things.
Ready, Anna. Makes it a bit easier.
Give that a good mix.
But this is where it's going to help me, because then I'm going to switch out. You're going to have the spoon, I'm going to have the whisk.
Right?
Okay. Right, now you're going to carefully,
slowly, bits at a time, or?
Yeah, slowly, carefully. And I'm going to mix it in. I mean, there's slowly and there's like extra slow. How we?
You need to know, give us a level. Am I being like...
A little bit more. Come on.
Now that's fast to me.
That's not fast.
Yeah, slow's like turtle speed. This is like whippet speed.
Right, go on, just get the rest in now.
Sod it.
Sod it. Right, we're going to give that a good mix.
Until it forms a nice smooth batter.
We're going to make it easier for ourselves to get it in that by putting it in a jug.
Yep.
So we've got to get this in there and that in there.
Right, you need something with a spout on. Like this.
Right, let's go.
She never fails.
Nah, I didn't like do I? Whee! Right. I'm scraping it because I want every last little bit of this, like.
You say that, but you've spilled half of it on the bench.
I bet I can lick that up.
Go on then.
No.
Right? Go and get a cloth and get that cleaned then.
Aye, aye. Caution!
Hot.
Hot. Okay, we're going to open it up, pour our mixture
Waffle
in.
mixture in.
Ooh. We've got it down, we're going to give it a couple of minutes on this side and then we're going to go flip it over. Just give it a minute or so for them edges to cook. We are going to head in now with that sweet compote. Okay, I'm going to first things first, we're going to switch this on because I'm staring at it and I haven't even switched it on.
That would help.
So we pop this on the lowest heat we can get, which is 80 degrees. Okay, strawberries in.
Chop these into quarters because it just looks a little bit more presentable when it's on top of the waffle.
Yeah, we don't want to be biting into a huge chunk of strawberry. Some sugar.
Sugar and the tiniest bit of lemon juice.
Okay, we're going to keep this stirred on that low setting for roughly 10 minutes. Now that our compote is nearly done, reveal! Oh, look at that. I'm dying to just eat it.
So, do you want ice cream?
I want ice cream.
Yeah, daft question there.
Aye, get that on.
Let's give this gorgeous waffle a try, yeah?
Never been so excited to dig in anything in my life. Can't get it on the spoon.
I don't think my mouth's big enough to fit everything in.
Mine is.
I know yours is.
Oh. Stop right there. That is actually incredible, that like.
It reminds me of the one I had in America. So I think we've got that spot on. It's got the perfect balance of savoury and sweet with your waffle. There's not too much sugar, is there? Obviously, your strawberries brings out the flavour.
I am going to get my hands a little bit messy here because I am going to cut it open. Just give you a little close-up of this on the inside. Ooh. As you can see, it's all fluffy, cooked perfectly on the inside. Don't even care that my hands are messy, gone straight back in for another piece. Oh, I think this is like one of the best waffles I've had, to be honest. For homemade. Oh. When you've ate half of it and I haven't even...
I've had a quarter. You're not very good with maths, are you?
I can't pick the strawberry. I just want the strawberry. You
can do all sorts with a waffle. You can make a savoury waffle. You can do maybe a poached egg on the top, a little bit of green onion, hollandaise sauce.
Oh yeah.
Or you can stick with your typical sweet waffles.
As I said this morning, you can even do your bacon, mix it, bacon, maple syrup. You do sweet, personally my favourite, chocolate, caramel, strawberry, banana.
Yeah, if you've got a really, like a proper sweet tooth. Or you can stick and you could do a healthy waffle if you wanted. Another thing, if you're a bit lazy and you don't want to make a compote of any sort, you could use just a little bit of jam, pop it in your microwave, heat it up a little bit and hoy it straight over the top.
Oh aye. Makes that easy.
I think I'm definitely more of a savoury person, although this is lovely. It's really nice, but I don't think I could handle it for breakfast.
I could.
Yeah, nah. I like it with sourdough with an avocado and a poached egg on top.
But I mean, even for a pudding, I think this, while you're watching a late night movie.
Yeah.
Tell you what this would be good for.
Girls' night.
Girls' night. Or to make your ma on Mother's Day. Mother's Day.
Mother's Day, yeah. It'd be perfect for Mother's Day, this. So, what do you rate it out of 10?
I'll give it a 10.
Yeah?
I'm sorry, I can't stop eating it.
I would say a 10, but I'm a savoury, so I'm going to say a 9.
And that's it for 2 small cookies. We'll see you next time. Can you make sure you give us a like, thumbs up, notification button, and hit that subscribe button.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next one. Bye-bye.